Did you miss me? Guess not. What's up, y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to another regular old vlog. I hope everybody's doing well. I am. Thanks for asking. So as you can see, somebody did not allow me to sleep in, so I am up early on this Saturday morning, but it's all good. We don't really have a lot planned. You say hi? We don't really have a lot planned. I just know I need to go to the Dollar Tree today, but that's really all I have on the agenda. So let's get up and see what else this day holds. Let me get up and brush this mouth real quick. Hand it to mommy. Let me see. Let me put it on there. Jeez. Turn that water off. Thank you. What do you have in your hand? What's that? Are you ready for breakfast? Would you like to eat? This is why I need to go to Dollar Tree. Oh, they're cute. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah? Yeah? Well, I'm glad. Yeah? You ready to get down? All right. All right, we're up, we're at 'em. Slick my bun up a little bit, put on some jinx, and we're on our way to the Dollar Tree to get these frames. So I'll see you when we get there. So I'm back in the car on my way to Walmart to get some Gorilla double-sided tape because apparently I'm out. I couldn't find it nowhere, and I don't trust the hook on these Dollar Tree frames. I'm just not gonna put them on the wall like that. But it's all good. I need to get some other things anyway. Oh my gosh, they done cut down some trees. They look so different. They be throwing stuff up around here. Close spots today. Come on, Glory.
So I'm not finishing here, but for those of you who are interested, the shower curtain, the canvas prints, and the rugs all came from Amazon. I saw the shower curtain and had to get it because representation is important, and the mermaids are brown like my baby. This is too cute. Wow. Come look, Mama. It says wash your hands, brush your teeth, flush the toilet, splash in the bath. Yay! It's actually time for you to splash in the bath. You ready to get in the tub? Let's get in the tub. We'll be all day waiting for your little response. Oh, you don't want to get down? Girl of mine. Hello, howdy do. Little Princess Honeydew. Giggly wiggly precious pearl, I'm so glad that you're my girl. Why you all up in the camera? Yeah. Oh girl, the mosquitoes been turning you up. They've been turning you up because you're so tasty, Bubba. Alright y'all, it's time for us to wind down. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank y'all for watching another regular old vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.